thank you guys for watching. Today I'm doing another Amazon must-haves because I love Amazon. Buy everything on Amazon pretty much. So I just wanted to share some of my recommendations. So the first thing, you guys, if you guys watch me, you guys already know, it's the Adidas Neo slip-on shoes. I love these. I actually have a gray one, a navy blue one, and two black ones. I have two black ones because these ones are getting jacked up. There's a hole, so I bought another pair. Costco sold one before. They used to sell these. I bought the navy blue ones that I had from Costco, and it was like, what, $25? Amazon, they charge a little bit more. It's about 50 something for this pair, but it's so worth it because I pretty much wear it every day. My second black pair are my house slippers, and I use that to clean the house. I just slip them on and I walk around the house. We have porcelain floors, so the floors are really cold, so I never go barefoot around the house. I always have like shoes on, and I am flat-footed, so something with memory foam, it's so comfortable. Definitely recommend it. I call it my mom's shoes, but you don't have to be a mom to have these shoes, but it's just so easy. You slip them on, you slip them off, you can run errands with them. It's so comfortable. Once you try it, you will love it too. And I think they're pretty cute too. I mean, like, it goes with a lot of outfits. I'm a casual person, so it goes with a lot of my like casual clothes, especially like a long sweater and leggings. And my other favorite, these are these charcoal bamboo deodorizers. I usually buy a few packs. There's an 8-pack, a 4-pack. They come in different colors, but honestly, it doesn't really matter what color because I usually just store it in the closet or in my purse, in the car. These are natural deodorizers. It absorbs odors. So instead of like making your house smell all sorts of good with masking odors, like spraying it down with perfume or whatever, what you're doing is you're actually absorbing the odor, and charcoal absorbs odors. It also dehumidifies, so it prevents your closets or spaces from molding and things like that. I definitely recommend it. I've been using it for years, and you know, you can put this in your purse, deodorize your gym bag, put it in shoes because it does fit inside shoes, if you guys can see that. Definitely, ooh, I need to try this for Justin's shoe, just saying. But definitely recommend this on the Amazon site. And there are different versions. Just find the one that has really good ratings, but I will link below everything that I mentioned and specifically which charcoal deodorizers I like to use. Speaking of odors, my cats have been peeing on this one spot in our house, actually back there, over there. I just mopped before filming because it will smell a little funky. We're getting a cat whisperer for this whole situation because we've tried everything. Our vet, all these visits, everything. Anyways, going on a tangent, but my cats are peeing in that one spot. And sometimes I think I know where they're peeing, but then I decided to go extra and I bought these glasses and this black light. So I turn off all the lights. I usually do this at night, and then I see exactly where the cats pee, like the area, just like, you know, I use the black light and I see exactly where, and then I mop it and I feel good about the situation. And this is actually really good if you guys are like crazy cleaners like me and you want to know exactly what needs to be clean. Especially check out your bathroom. Put these glasses on, turn on this light in the dark, check out your bathroom, and you will be stunned at how gross your bathroom it really is. Like, you know, like where the kids splash pee and things like that. One time, my son, Liam, peed in the trash can instead of the toilet. Yeah, you can see anything and everything with this light, you guys. Definitely recommend if you're having issues with animals peeing, or if you're just crazy into cleaning and want to really disinfect, clean a certain area. And then speaking of cleaning, this is a steam mop that I recently purchased. I've been really into just the Method squirt mop thing, but if I really want to just use zero chemicals, just hot water, steam, kills the germs on the floor, it would be this floor steamer. And this is really a fantastic floor steamer. It's under $70, and you can detach it, and you can even just steam certain areas of your house. Like, it has a removable steamer. If you guys can see this part, you can remove, or you can use the bottom to like steam mop your floors. And there's even an insert where you can steam your carpet area too, which is really nice. And then these little guys, these inserts right here, they're washable. So you just remove them and you wash it. And oh my gosh, it's so gross how the bottom looks like after steam mopping the floors. Like, I think it's clean, and then I look down and I'm like, oh my god, that's disgusting. But I just love the steam mop because it, you know, deodorizes, it disinfects the floor, it makes the floor look so clean. And also my other bonus is this, like, you can remove this and you can steam clothing, you can steam curtains to kind of like freshen up your curtains. You can do anything with a steamer. I just love it so much, and I love the price, so I definitely recommend this. Like, I've used it so often. I love it so much. The cord isn't that long though. I wish the cord would be longer, but you can just get an extension cord, you know what I mean? And then something that I always use you guys see me use are gloves. I use gloves all the time. These are nitrile gloves. I buy a 200 pack usually, and I get the size small. And these gloves, I use them to clean. I use them to cook certain meats, just so I don't get like the odors in my hands. I have really, really dry hands, so most of the time I am wearing gloves for any and every reason. It's just to, you know, clean up everything without getting my hands dirty or extra dry. And these are great. I like the nitrile gloves, the ones that are powder free. My last favorite are these wireless headphones. Justin actually had them, and I never had anything that was wireless. I'm just so old school, and I just love these for working out. I put them on, I'm on the elliptical, you know, just doing my thing, and it's just such great sound quality. And I love that it has a magnet, so it connects together, so I won't ever lose it, to be honest. I have a Google Pixel 3 phone. I don't have an Apple, so I don't have like those fun little ear pods or whatever they're called, AirPods. But these are fantastic, and you can get them in different colors. Justin has it in black. I have it in pink. Sound quality is just amazing, you guys. Definitely recommend it. And it lasts pretty long. Like, you don't have to charge it every week, at least for me. Like, I'm at the gym like maybe an hour a few days a week, and I haven't charged it yet. So it's a great set of wireless headphones. But those are my Amazon must-haves at the moment. If you guys are interested, I will link all of my favorites down below. Thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoy my Amazon must-haves, give it a thumbs up. I have more videos for you to check out. I have a version 1 of my Amazon must-haves. I will link below. I have some shop with me's and cleaning with me's and all of that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!